So, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. So, my reflection is all about the network layer. This version of the famous limerick might sound familiar to you. What kind of work would an art network work? If a network could not work, song of the tone of the woodchuck song. Well, the network layers helps transmit data between hosts. It is responsible for determining the shortest path for a packet of data. This is called packet routing. Additionally, the network layer performs logical addressing. Think of how we each have a unique email address. The network layer identifies devices on a network with a unique address. The network layer places this ID, the IP address, in the packet header. Think of a network layer as a postman that puts zip codes on electrical messages. The routing information contained within the packet includes the source address of a sending host and the eventual destination host address of the remote host. This information is contained within the network layer header that encapsulates network frames at the data link layer 2. The key difference and importance between transport information contained at layer 2 when to transport information contained at the network layer is that the information can move beyond the local network to reach hosts in a remote network locations or different network segments. The following network topology diagram depicts devices is one IP subnet using three layers routing is communicate with devices in a second IP as subnet. Functions of the network. The primary function of the network is to enable different networks to be interconnected. It does this by forwarding packets to network routers, which rely on algorithms to determine the best path of the data travel. This path of known as virtual circuits. The network layer relies on the Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP, the error control handling and diagnostics to ensure packets are sent correctly. Quality of service QoS is also available to permit certain traffic to be prioritized over the other traffic. The network layer can support either connection oriented or connectionless networks, but such a network data transmission can only be of one type of and both not. The last thing we will mention that this layer does is accounting. Yes, this layer wears many uniforms, even that a number cruncher. Someone has to keep track on all of this to provide billing information.